Soon, I can't talk to you right now. Soon, you'll hear a beep and you know how to play this game. Leave your number and your name, and I promise I'll call back. Never. Tears and champagne offer no solution. He'll say soon to her forever. So she makes her New Year's resolution. Soon she won't call him anymore. Soon, when he shows up at her door and asks her when, can I be with you again? It'll be her turn